Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, if this is your first time listening, we are two friends who help you learn English through listening.
That's right. Every episode, we talk slowly, use easy English, and help you learn real-life vocabulary and useful phrases.
And today's topic is exercising. We'll talk about how we stay active, simple ways to move your body, and how to talk about your exercise habits in English.
This is going to be fun. And don't worry, you don't need to be a professional athlete to enjoy this episode.
So, how are you today?
I'm feeling good. A little tired, but good. I went for a run this morning.
Oh, nice. How far did you run?
Just 3 kilometers. Not too far. But it felt great to be outside. The weather was perfect, sunny but cool.
That sounds perfect. I didn't exercise this morning, but I did some yoga last night before bed.
That's great too. Yoga is very relaxing.
Yes, and good for flexibility. So, do you usually run in the morning?
Yes, I try to run 3 times a week. It helps me feel awake and ready for the day.
So, let's help our listeners now. Here are some ways to talk about exercise in English. I go for a run. I work out at the gym. I do yoga at home. I ride my bike. I like swimming. I lift weights. I take a fitness class. I walk in the park. I stretch every morning. I play sports.
Great phrases. You can also say, I exercise 3 times a week. I try to stay active. I want to get in shape. I enjoy moving my body. I don't like running, but I love dancing.
Yes, and remember, you don't need to do hard exercise to be healthy. Even walking or stretching is good for you.
Let's talk about when we exercise.
Sure, I like exercising in the evening. It helps me relax after a long day. What about you?
I prefer mornings. I have more energy in the morning, and it helps me start my day.
That's great! And where do you usually exercise?
Sometimes at home, sometimes at the gym, and sometimes outside, like in the park.
Same here. I do yoga at home, and I love going for walks outside. Nature is the best gym.
Yes, the park, the beach, even your living room, all good places to move your body.
Now, let's talk about something important: motivation.
Ooh, yes. Sometimes I don't want to exercise. I feel lazy or tired.
Me too. It's normal. But here are some good ways to stay motivated. Make a schedule. Start small. Exercise with a friend. Play music. Try new activities.
Those are great tips. For example, if I don't feel like running, I just walk. Some movement is better than no movement.
Exactly. You can also watch short workout videos on YouTube, like stretching or beginner yoga.
Okay, friends, let's review some useful words from today's episode. Run, stretch, yoga, exercise, workout, gym, breathe, move your body, healthy, fitness, strong, get in shape, stay active, motivation, feel lazy, tired, walk, bike, swim, dance, lift weights.
And some great phrases. I try to exercise every day. I go for walks in the evening. I want to stay healthy. I don't enjoy running, but I like yoga. Exercise helps me feel better.
Part 6, practice time. Emma, now it's your turn. Practice answering these questions in English. Ready? Do you like to exercise? What kind of exercise do you enjoy? How many times a week do you exercise? Do you prefer the gym or home workouts? What's your favorite way to stay active?
You can write your answers in the comments or say them out loud. Speaking helps you improve your English faster.
Well, that's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed it and learned some new words.
And we hope you feel more confident talking about exercise in English.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just keep practicing a little every day.
Exactly. And if you liked this podcast, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss a new lesson.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite way to exercise?
Thanks for spending time with us today.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.